All right, let's start with the local rankings I've been able to achieve. So as you can see, this is a before and after kind of reverse. So this is the before over here. You can see all of the reds, and you can see after like a month and 2 sessions later, we're all green. And honestly, this specific business is ranking in a highly competitive area for this was a local dentist, and they had like a great deal of problems ranking. They had great reviews. Everything else was good under Google My Business, just that they were not ranking. And so we went ahead, we pushed the sessions through, and you can see this is the before, this is the after. So we ran 2 sessions. So one was on the 12th of the month and the other was on the 20th. So there was a week in between. And those 2 sessions later, maybe like 2 weeks later, we ended up with being all green. So the next one is over here. This is another one we did. The visibility increased by around 23%. Now we're using a different tracking tool, the different business. We use a slightly different tactic over here. As I said, this is customized to whatever we're working with. And as you can see, they were doing pretty well to begin with, but there were a lot of places where they were not ranking as well, which were even in like the main location. You can see they're number 18, they're number 10, number 11, 11, 12. So not great. So once we completed this, like maybe I would say a week or so later, they're you can see they're number 6. So the first campaign we did was on October the 9th. So this is the baseline you see over here on the left. And then this is November 15th. So around over slightly over a month later, they were able to bust their way into the market. And now they get a lot more leads than they were previously getting, obviously. And we're still working on some of their other campaigns. We're also working on increasing their reach within the region. This is the next one over here. We ranked them for refrigerator repair. Refrigerator repair is not the most competitive term. I would say it's a medium competitive term, especially in this specific region. So again, before they were nowhere. This was a brand new Google My Business. They had maybe like 6, 7 reviews. So this is on. All right, so there's a little bit of a problem with our reporting. So over here, so we reverse reporting a little bit. I now realize that we had a problem with the reporting. So over here on the left, this was where we started with. So this was the 11th of November, and this is where we started. We had already done one session prior to the screenshot, but we were not able to capture the screenshot for this. And then we ran another session on the 7th of November, the 17th of November. And after doing that, we just held off because the client wanted to go on vacation and stuff, and there were the holiday season coming in. But we then later checked on the 2nd of December, and we had already started gaining significant market share within the region. As you can see, they went from being nowhere to being everywhere. So this is another one we did. So we didn't have a before screenshot for this one, but we were able to rank it across the region for a very competitive search term in the US. And as you can see, they're all green. This is another one. And this is a slightly different tracking system we're using because we use different systems. And so every system kind of shows something different. And this is a much smaller grid map over here. And we rank this for, so they're now ranking number 6th on average. And this was a chiropractic clinic in Colorado. And as you can see, they're doing very well. We don't have a before screenshot for this, unfortunately. And then we have the organic rankings over here. You can see this is when we began doing this, October, November, October. At the end of October, this is when we started. You can see there's a steady increase in traffic. The next one over here again, this is when we started it. And you can see, the increase in traffic over time. So we started this at around this period when we started doing SEO, but this is when we started doing some on-page SEO. And then after that, we started doing some of these links with the permission of the client because obviously at that point it was experimental because we had not extensively tested it. So we asked the client, we have something that's experimental, that's shown to work. Can we use it on your site? He gave us permission, and then we kind of grew this over here. This one is a more dramatic one. I think this is the most dramatic because their site wasn't doing as well. You can see there was keyword cannibalization issues, which we fixed. There were other problems like 404s, 410s, lots and lots of issues, pages that were not being indexed. So once all of that was fixed, we then ran the campaign, And when we ran the campaign, you can see this is this first growth spurt over here. And then we held off because there were some on-page stuff that we needed to complete. Then we ran a second campaign around this time, around the 16, 17, and you can see we grew. So you can see this is screenshots from across 1 year. And so we've been testing this for at least a year before I'm making a video about this. So this is not something I just hatched. So you know that this works like absolute gangbusters. This is like the best thing you can do if you're trying to rank a website because you're passing a boatload of juice to your website. Right. So this is what we've done. And this is just some of the case studies that we have. I've got loads of more stuff. I just don't want to take up a lot of your time showing slide after slide after slide. But this is just to prove that this has worked time after time. And this is a repeatable strategy that works, provided that your on page is on point. So hello and welcome to Let's Talk SEO. As I already showed you, there's a great deal of proof that now backs up my claims because I've been testing this for over 3 months to come up with an idea, with a solution to building high quality links and passing a lot of juice to websites that does not cost me a lot of money. Now, on average, if you do a comparison, buying a guest post from a halfway decent blog that gets decent traffic will run you up like $400 or $500 at the very least. Depending on your industry, I have some clients in the legal industry, and their backlinks cost upwards of $1,000. So if you measure up and you do the math, you're looking at a few $100s versus a few $1,000s in terms of backlinks. Whereas the backlinks these create have far more juice, far more relevance than those 20, 30, 40 DA backlinks that you would otherwise buy. And it's even more relevant than the PBNs that you buy that are more generalized websites. However, it's worth adding over here that you should always diversify your link strategy. You should always do a mix of press releases, guest posts, PBNs, and cloud links. Okay. But the traditional method of cloud links don't work. So I'll just run you through the process in this video, how this works. And then this service is now available on my website. So you can go to cloudseo.buy.com. There's a link to the service in the description if you want to buy it off me. If you want to do it yourself, you will have to do a lot of your own research and put in the time and money because I've tested cloud links, I've tested tiered link building, and honestly, I have not seen results like I have seen with this method because Google is looking for patterns within backlinks, and when a method is outed, or someone talks about it, or there's a course all about it, Google finds out about how that works, and then it looks for ways to track down and penalize those websites, or even take them down. And so, in many instances, cloud sites have been taken down. Um, Link building networks have been taken down. And so, which is why I'm going to go through the method, but the exact secret sauce that makes this work like gangbusters, I'm not going to reveal in this video, just so that the 0.005% of websites who are mostly my clients or those people who buy the service on my website get the most value. And honestly, I am doing them justice because and I'm also doing myself justice because I spent so much time and money on trying to investigate this and trying to figure out what works best and how Google is looking for footprints and why Google is removing links, what anchor text work well, what types of content work well, how should this be tiered correctly, interlinked correctly, how old should the network be before you start getting links from it. I've done all of that work. If you want to go in and do that work, you're welcome. I'll show you what I did. And then if you're interested, you can feel free to reach out to me. Right. So let's get into how this works. So normally you would see SEOs advocate this structure. So mainly these are cloud links they're from Amazon, AWS, Amazon AWS, Azure, Rabbit. And so these will link to your money site. Okay. And usually, the claim is that they pass link juice to your money site because these come from high DA, domains. But the problem is that Google catches on to these, and these tend to get de-indexed. Okay. And when these are de-indexed, they stop passing any and all link juice. And this has happened to me time and time again. And we will build these, they would work, and then they'll stop working. And this is fine if you have like a Fiverr gig or You're just selling something that you just want to make quick money. You don't care about the client. My clients, I care about them. I care about their business. And so when these stop working, I had to come up with another solution. Some of the other stuff you'll see is that people will say, SEOs will say, you create a lot of these smaller, clouds that link to these clouds, and these will pass link juice, you know. The the problem with that approach is all of these approaches leave footprints. And when you have footprints that Google can track, they will track it back to your money site, which ends up being, at the very least, you will lose traffic. And when you lose that traffic, you have to go in and build this again. And at times, you will be penalized for unnatural link building. Some of my test websites were penalized last year, not in 2025, but in 2024. In 2026, none of my websites were penalized for unnatural link building because I think Google changed the algorithm. So they would stop penalizing sites, but they would, de-rank them for unnatural link building. There will be no manual penalty, but you will see, it's just going down. Slowly but surely, your website starts losing traction. And so what I came up with is my own secret sauce. Okay. So I use clouds. So these still are very potent, but my secret sauce makes sure that these do not get de indexed. Okay. Number one. So what I'm building is not just this network. What I'm building before I even point any of this to the money sites, I'm building a network. So I'm building a network of several websites, high domain authority, high page authority, which are relevant. All right. So I'm making sure that before I ever link to your money site, before I ever do anything to your money site, I have a network of high DA links. So these links are at least a DA 50. All right. So DA50 links at the very least. And then I'm making sure that this network, these over here, are established with Google. Once these are established, once this network is not only as high DA, but it's high PA. So the pages we're creating are high PA. It's at that point that we link to the money site. All right. We know, number one, that Google cannot track this back to your money site. Number two, we know that these will pass link juice because, they have high page authority. So it's not just about domain authority, it's about page authority. So we're boosting page authority. And then once we know that this is working and is getting crawled, we then start passing the link to your money site. So depending on what you get, you have to do this at least twice a month, depending again on also the difficulty of your industry. If it's in a very hard industry or a very competitive industry, you will need to do more of this. But this works like absolute gangbusters. Okay. Now, I would be happy to give out the secret sauce, but the problem is that if I give it out, then it'll stop working like every other tactic. And all the previous tactics, all the cloud stacking tactics, all of the other stuff stopped working because Google found out how they do it. And then they found that they created an algorithm that could detect those links and then, derank sites or, that just don't pass juice, which means that you might have spent maybe $5,000 on those links, but they don't pass any juice. And so what I'm doing here is not even worth Google's effort because my clients are doing it, which are by maybe like 0.005% of the internet. And then if someone buys the service of my website, then that's maybe like, I don't know, uh, again, 0.005% of the internet. So it's not really even worth Google's time going into any of this stuff. Google doesn't really care. Okay. So you rank like absolute crazy. So this is great for Google My Business. This is great for local sites. This is also great for international sites. The best thing of all is you can even rank products. Okay. So product pages can rank. Google My Businesses can rank. Your national business can rank, just about everything can rank, and you don't have to worry about manual penalties or PBNs not being relevant to your niche or broadly relevant or whatever. These are highly relevant, so absolutely nothing to worry about. But you have to do this a few times a month. And then once you start ranking, you just do a boost every month and you make sure your on page is good and you're pretty much, sailing the high rivers. So hope you guys like the video. Like, subscribe as always, leave a comment below. Again, there's a link in the description to the service if you're looking to improve your DA, your PA, improve your organic rankings like I have done on my test websites. Feel free to reach out to me. If you're already a client of mine, I'm already gonna start using this on your website and you're gonna see gangbuster results. So see you guys in the next video. Happy ranking.